I can identify the min or max and y-intercept of a parabola. The y-intercept of a function is the y value where the function intersects the y-axis. So where the x value is 0, we will find the y-intercept. So we can look at this parabola here, the graph of a quadratic, and it comes down and crosses right through where the value of x is 0 and the value of y also happens to be 0 here. So the y-intercept of this will be y is equal to 0. So in these practice examples, you're going to look at where the graph crosses the y-axis and record the y value. Pause the video and try that now. Okay, so let's see. So in number 1, we have another parabola, goes up, and on its way down, it crosses right through the y-axis up here at positive 4. So we'll say y equals 4. In number 2, it comes down crossing right through negative 4 on the y-axis. So y equals negative 4. In addition to the y-intercept, we also have the turning point of the parabola that we call the vertex. The vertex could either be a minimum or a maximum. So where the graph stops increasing and starts decreasing, or vice versa, that's the point we call the vertex. So let's state the vertex and determine if it's a minimum or a maximum. So the graph of this parabola starts increasing, stops increasing here, and then starts to decrease. So this point right here we'll call the vertex. That is the spot where it stops increasing and starts decreasing. The coordinates of this point are negative 1, negative 2. So negative 1, negative 2 is the vertex. And since this is the highest point that this parabola reaches, this is a maximum. Anytime a parabola goes from increasing to decreasing, the vertex is a maximum. If it were the other way around, flipped up like a smiling face, a happy face as opposed to a frowning face, then the vertex would be a minimum. Pause the video now and try practice 1 and 2. Okay, let's take a look. So this one looks like a happy face. He's smiling. Vertex is this turning point right here, and that is the coordinate point negative 3. And careful with the y-axis here because we're going by 2, so 2, 4, 6. So negative 3, negative 6. And since this looks like a happy face, this will be a minimum value because this is the lowest point this parabola reaches. For number 2, we have our vertex right here. And since this is a frowny face, we see that it is a maximum. And the vertex will be at the coordinate point 3, 5. And we'll say it is a maximum.